Kublai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat ki bakongsan mentara sengi kilong, rat ka saw ya ka surak jambal, apa jambal, North Garo Hills. Sam pisa Menteri Rangba Marshipau Hajar, hasaus pak ngut kinong de madan Iewduh. Beli udisi ribhoy ya ka Nongpoh shopping carnival. Ban, weng ya ka jing sngow ya pair seng. Weng ya jing sngow ya pair seng san perthei ban nat kipat ba na ki jing e. Bat mentang ini pai syaki Khubor ya ba kambnya. Ka saw ka bajur hakani ka ayom liur. Kalarat ya ka surak jambal ka ba penyaso bat ka dong apa jambal syatrai lum ka balabu ekipat ba kinong shong yo bat ki khna skul ha ki jing e bat jing ma ban yat nakani ka surak. Ki trash nong kilayathu uslap ubajur ubalane bun sngi hakani ka than. Ka saw hakani ka tayo kalarat ban kit iki benta jong kani ka surak haka khat ar tarik Nailar. Shillong donbok shemdan kanu ke jing mensaw ya ki breu ne ke jing julor ya ki kali ki bayat shwa bantua kani ka surak. Da kani ke jing dukut jong kani ka surak ki pat ba kilangat haka jakhom khat ban net banwan ha ki jing don kam baman ka sngi jong ki. Dai tang kani ka surak ka ba ki pat ba ki pendon kam ban net banwan hapdeng ka dong jambal bat ka apa jambal. Kila kerpa di Khubor Senshar District bat PWD ban maramot mardor ya kani ka surak namar kalong kalenti yat pat ba bat dan da kawai pat kalenti bandrung syakini kidong arteli. Haka Jylla balalong haka jakayeng kali hasurok anjali haka khatlai tarek Menteri Rangba konrad ki sangma ulasam pisa bok daw syaki saus pangut tam kinong de madan Iewduh Marshipau Hajar tengka shikli ki bala register yalade ha office ka hima melim. Haka jingkren Menteri Rangba ula kentu ya kinong de madan banda register yalade ha office ka hima kenang bakin yo ki jingyada bat ki jingyarap haba ki don kam. Kadba Menteri Rangba senrop ba prestun tensong haka jingkran ulaong. Kani ka jingarap kade kapisa daw, kapisa donbok. Kinong syong yo ki balayo pisa bat ki syatri da slap dal air kiladap da ka jingkemen ban pediang yakini ki jingle sebun ka sorkar haka jingalam Menteri Rangba konrad ki sangma.
Decisions that impact your lives by simply sitting in secretariat and in the comfort of our offices and decide what development and what schemes you need. It can only be done by feeling and going through what all of you are going through every day. And that moment made me decide that we have to change and improve the overall working conditions in Iewduh and all the other market areas in the urban areas slowly and steadily. But we start with Iewduh because Iewduh is our traditional market. It's a market where for decades our people have been trading, having different businesses, and people from all over khasinews today come to Iewduh and try to earn their living and do business and do trade. What better place to start this reform program than to start with Iewduh? And friends, as already mentioned by Deputy CM in charge urban affairs, we have already initiated the first process of 5 crores worth of improvement, and you must have seen today also we were surveying and we were checking the work that is being done, and today we have also laid down the foundation for the second phase of 13 plus crores, almost 14 crores of funds which have been sanctioned through the NEHU. And I thank our donor minister, Mr. Jyotiraditya Scindia ji, for his generosity And after we have discussed with him about the importance of Iewduh, he has very, very happily sanctioned the money, and today we have laid the foundation stone for the second phase of the Iewduh beautification project. And we are already preparing the DPR for the third phase, which is going to amount to almost close to 20 crores for the third phase of the Iewduh beautification project, which means in total almost close to 40-45 crores is going to be spent to improve the overall infrastructure and beautification of Iewduh market, which, as I mentioned in the beginning of my speech, which has been pending for a very, very long time, and people working there deserve this. My only request to all of you would be that this is our market. This is your market. And so while the government does its part, while the HEMA Milim does its part, I think as vendors, as shopkeepers, we also, all of you have a responsibility to keep Iewduh clean.
Deputy Commissioner Karib Hoy u Abhilash Baranwal IAS menta kasngi khat lai tarik Nailar ulapli patba yaka Nongpoh Shopping Carnival Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex daga jing thmu ban kring yaki patba bakin wan rung shapo kaneka complex bat hakaju kapor ban penphu penping yakaneka shopping complex bat ban ai man sim yaki basong dukan hapo kaneka building bakin pli man la kasngi. Hakani kasngi nalor u Deputy Commissioner Karib Hoy lasa khilang ru daga kong B Rani ADC Ribhoy ba Eric Kevin Kar BDO Omling Block lambat kiwe ki officer nakatanat urban. Kumban shupen tip kate ka yo lane ka Nongpoh Shopping Carnival kabalayo ban sedang menta kasngi lapen long yaka daga Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex haka jinges no lang bat ka GNC store bat kane ka yo kane saus ngi yakaba insapan kutpat hadu ka khanriu tarik Nailar.
Shopping carnival, please take advantage of this. And this shopping carnival is something which we intend to hold recurrently. It will not just be one-off affair. The idea is to revitalize this entire shopping complex. It should not merely remain a pipe dream that when it came to Nongpoh, everyone thought that we are going to have a shopping complex sort of thing, shopping mall sort of thing, but then unfortunately for whatever reasons, those dreams have not been realized yet. But thanks to the efforts being made by my very capable ADC, Kongrani, that we are seeing this today when this shopping carnival will officially kind of mark the culmination of one episode of all the efforts. But this was only one episode. All efforts will continue until the dreams with which this Muda complex was constructed will be realized. As a Deputy Commissioner, it's very easy for me to just give ideas, but then ultimate execution is the real deal, and that has been done by Kongrani. So many congratulations to her. And not to forget my officers from Urban Affairs, Sanjay, and especially Shoy. He has been working relentlessly, having dual roles, wherein he is also performing some duties over here at shopping complex, simultaneously at Nongpoh Town Committee also. So it's his relentless efforts also which has helped us in transpiring this day. So congratulations, and this is not just a day although the invitation card went from our office, but this is dedicated to entire Nongpoh, all the shopkeepers, and especially to all the shoppers. Thank you. Khuborkhasi, Jai Hind.
So I hereby declare the Nongpoh Shopping Carnival 2025 open.
Thank you. Yes.
Strongly.
Do it now. Do it.
Next.
Kani kadi kakun hun jong kaseng kabalatip kum ka National Highways Demand Committee Southwest Khasi Hills District kabahapo ka jingalam jong shongkonor ba kan pam vi karlengdo. Haka khatlai tarik menta u Nailar hajar arpusan haka jingya kundu bat kinong pathai Khubor ha Shillong Press Club kilap kerpat ya ka sorkar bahkan penne ya ka jingshna ya ka surok nanong ba Shillong Shadow Ranikor kum ka National Highway kum ka intermediate lane ka baladep penbena dangshen namar kani kade ka jing ang nur jong upad ba labun snam banyo ya kani ka surok National Highway ka ban pensuk ya ka let kawan jogi pad ba jong kiba bun tli kishnong kiba kani ka surok ka yad leng ba khamtam kum ka shnong maungap mau plang, lat mau siang, mau keruat, rang thong, nong na, dirang, bat hadu khat pra ranikor kabajingai kumba khandai pun riu kilometer bat kabalamang pisa arspa klur tengka kajinglut nadu kasnam hajar khat lai. Kani kakun huon kala keno baka daw hi kajing slam ban pentre ya kani kasurok kadai na kajing deko ka sarkar Meghalaya ban penyabet bat ka NEHU baka ni kakam kadang sa teng hadu menta kabala ru bandai na kadaw ha kajing sngow ya per hakikam san perthei namar porbayo ya kani ka project don da kaway ka sarkar bar hadien pat lawan da kaway pat ka sarkar.
Government of Meghalaya tu Khubor kila menjur berkadon du kastitos hakaba ya ka surok nadu mongap moplang laj mo siang mokurwat rangthong nongna birang nata ranikor khatra kanan ka proposal ka ba kumba khandai pundriu kilometer kadai ka national highway te kata kastitos hadu mentang ngiptip balai ba kasuja akaja menta bat hagtu Khubor kajing yakun nakaliang jong kisangut ki amale nadu iba kini di kriam ibadi amale juga moplang iba pensengat yan sim amale jong ka mosram tu Khubor ba danggu berkamta me nakaliang uti minister badi baru well ubala klarno ubala tristom nak benta ya kani ka banwanra ya ka national highway nak benta berkonek ya ka headquarter ka district bat ka state capital te Henry ngiptip nak kanu kadaw bak sujala keja berlisuka ban perkenmau ru ya fiba kastitos juga ni ngakan mau snem arajar arpoar husnem arajar arpo hau benai ni bagadan ka statement nak yang jong ka government of Meghalaya peringkat bat PMO emeli jong ka makurat bar nikton tu Khubor ila penmana ba hakabari bat ka banle ya ka DPR ka global infra kadai ka company ka ba haban ya ka DPR but ikan mau kan mitar Januari ajar apoi nakaliang jo UML jo kamakurar usasin udah permeraru ya kata kaju tiare ngaptib nakanu kadaw baksuja lah kaja tiare kani ka kajing ijungi kadai bet nakadaw ba imat kadon ka failure nakaliang jo ka congress ujung ka nakaliang jo ka government nang ni po Meghalaya
Menteri Rangba Konrad K. Sangma hakajan mit khat tarik Nailar ulapli lai teliki projek hanongse apa Shillong baladon lang uba Shakler Warjri Menteri ki Kampenroy Sports uba RV Lengdo MLA Kamelim uba dang Rengko Shen Shakasem NPP ba Hamid Sondoling MLA Barim u Chief Secretary ba DP Walang kakong RM Kurba Deputy Commissioner ba Vivix Im SP ki Officer Sorkar kinoyalam kasnong nongse bat kinong lekai Sports and Cultural Club na kani kasnong. Kilai tili ki project kilong ban siang stong plastik ya ka madan football ban shna ya ka madan lekai basketball bat ka jingstang ban repted hanongse. Ka sorkar kalamang ban penlut lai point sapusan klur tengka na kabenta kini kilai tili ki project hanongse.
Come here almost more than 2 hours after the scheduled program, and I can very confidently tell you, and I'm sure our Chief Secretary will vouch for it, that there are not many programs which I am late to especially in the last 7 years as Chief Minister. I always try to be on time because I always believe that time is the greatest resource that we have because it never comes back. And therefore, it's with great sincere apologies to all of you, and I'm very sure you will accept it, and I'm thankful to all of you for having waited for me for such a long time. I had multiple programs in Mairang constituency. I have not been there for quite some time, and the local MLA as well as the people were very keen that I visited all the different programs that we had, and whether it was the new block office we inaugurated, whether it was that we have started. The mushroom mission is something that is going to be a transformational project, I tell you, in the days to come. We are working with Japan in terms of the technology that we're bringing in. And today, the kind of technology that we have, just to share with you, it is the one of the kind in the entire country. No other state has the level of technology for mushroom cultivation and for mushroom production the way we have. We have imported these machines straight from Japan. We are using technology and productivity and quality measures which are used in Japan. And the products that are going to be brought out of this are going to be sent.
Menteri Rangba Konrad K. Sangma da kajing senran lang ki Menteri Rangba senrop ba Preston Tensong ba sngau balang dhar kakong Amprin Menteri Kakwat Kakhya kakong RM Kurba DC usiem kahima melim paim Aina Manik bat ki officer ulathung maunong rem hakakat lai tarik Nailar banshna ya ki lenti yat kejat batmai ha Iewduh kayo yadi yathet ba paunam kasor Shillong. Menteri Rangba ulapen urlong ya kajing terang jong ki ba jong kahima melim bat jong kasor Khuborjylla ban pen internet ban wanra ya kajing shngan ki nonglet nongwan hakani kayo badru ban pen khoi pen suba ya kadur kadar jong kani kayo kajing tmu kaba bud kalong ban kring ya ki breu na bar Jylla ban rung ban mi hakani kayo kaba keluit kalenti sengkin. Hakani kasngi ki Menteri Sorkar kilayat saudong yakani kayo ban pej ya ki jingsiang mau lenti balatre haki benai baladam. Hakani kasien baar ka Sorkar Jylla kan penlut sakumba khatlai klur tengka kumba Menteri Rangba ula kular menshwa ban pen bhabreu ban pen phu pen phing ya kadur kadar joka Iewduh baro kawe.
Don't disturb the work. Come here. No. Click this. The work, and then you click us there. Click this down here. Because then you see the difference, huh? This is the work that's going on.
Yeah. It makes a difference.
Yes, sir. It looks traditional.
Yeah, good.
Be careful, be careful. No, we'll go there. You get...
Very good afternoon to each and everyone present here as part of the foundation laying ceremony of improvement. So right now the felicitation is going on for all the guests. Kajing pinang burom da upay but India.
It's your choice. It's your choice.
Nice, so nice stuff. Lovely.
काम शुरू होगा जब काम शुरू होगा तब आएंगे yes I remember This is the master plan for the treatment, the innovation and development of the Iewduh market. Concerning the
This payment with the Soras loan, sir, is ongoing work. And the second phase is that the Shillong Municipal Board will pick up the work. Whatever remaining in these two phases, sir, it will pick up in the third phases, sir. So this DPR also start preparing, sir. So at present, this payment of the lanes is phase 1 is only 4.6 kilometers, sir.
Kajing sya set by nong jo kinong tre ka GHEDC mentala jan sau benai kala penlong yo Bernard and Marak banya talanya kawang kti bat kinong yalam ka GHEDC u Rakesh Marak bat u Albinush ar Marak u Bernard ula keno yakini ki arngut baki kwa ban khang bat penkut no ya ka GHEDC ula keno ru baka sorkar Meghalaya ha ka jingyalam jo ka seng NPP bat kani ka isi kila penlong ya ka GHEDC kum kamar khayi pateng bat kim patiaw ya ka jingjenjar jong kinong tre ka GHEDC ula kentu ekipat ba na kilom garo ban husiar na markini ki breu ki thmu ban penjat penpra ya ka district council tang ban mentoy yalade bat ya ka parti jongki
Adita bersirang naskang nak song angni district council siang ingahan gapa video ko thalatani ko neksuna kata makna aru wa sumayo angni ya kata ko akan aniara maina district council kesa constitutionally anchingna ongomen institution wa sorkari jeo tribal rangko nirokna anching achik jat ko wara chakna aro anchini jangi thani kadang namdapanina slururwanina anchina ongomen belwa aro anching ya 6 schedule area achiga anching achik sakantian anching ra songgnang ga ani winanangge maina anching de dengtang reservation dengtang constitutional rights anchina ongomen belrang baksa sanching de wa area sanchina achia je kwan cha ga ge chure garo hills ya garo hills so anchingni jat ko recognize ka ani anchini jat ko naljo kani anchini jatni a takarka bewal ya gemekhor bengna anchina ongomen beldong ariana banga tribal rangan da alona kangkang taperking andi ba anchingde achi khapaunin anchini bird right ni agana magen achiaunin anchindi ya bel baksa achi khapa taudi state movement ko anchini phagchamrang bachinga aru wa state movement no phangchaki jensaro Meghalaya adok achia Meghalaya adokde bangbango songata ko mana aaba dongja wamangni department ba bangbata na anching council dongachim uni gemen wamang antatani belko jakhalna kata aro antatangni be mangpa ko blakatna kata council ni ko kasensen department rangko revenue rangko anchini bill rangko rangna apachinga aro state general sa tribal ongsa ndiba antantangko tribal state ni agana apachingjo mamung saloba state di tribal ongna manja what is general log akai uni gemen election ba general election isna tawdi ya anchingna
Badak itu ki khubor ngla poi shaka bakut tarhadu bangin daya syambiang khublei shibun